Hi guys, I am here reviewing the new Colourpop Going Coconuts collection. It's my second collection from Colourpop. I'm very excited. It's my first since starting this channel, so let's get into it. I have my foundation done. I used the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation and the Hollywood Flawless Filter for a Superstar Youth Glow. That stuff is why it looks so dewy this evening, so late. So it comes with several things, brown, comes with a couple things. It comes with a few things, first being the Going Coconuts palette, which I am very excited about. I'm excited about the neutral palette. I was going to get the Smoke Show palette. I think this will be a lot easier for me to work with. So there is that. Then there are two bronzers. I'll be showing those in a sec. There's the Just a Tint Shall We Dance. There is the Super Shock Shadow Trio Call Me on My Shell Phone. And, no, I did it wrong. The Shall We Dance, oh no we didn't. There's two. There's Coconut Kiss, oh wow. There is also Coconut Kiss, Just a Tint, and then the Coco Loco Lippy Bundle. I'm excited about that. I believe that is everything. I'm gonna start, I don't really know what I'm going to do. I think I'll start with my eyes. I'm gonna take out the Colourpop Super Shock shadows so I can see what I'm working with. This one is a little quirky. This one I really like. Deep Dive. And then this one is Peekaboo. I'm not quite sure what I want to do yet, so I think I'll just start. So I think I am going to start with Lovely Bunch right here. And I'm going to use that as my transition shade to start out with. I don't know if I'm going to put it all over or what yet. I want to see how it looks first. Oh, that is a good transition shade. Very good for my skin tone. I have to turn off my heater. I'm sorry, that has been going this whole time. I am not going to refilm that part earlier, so you're just going to have to deal with the white noise. It is absurdly quiet in my house right now. Even the dogs are upstairs asleep. I just got this today and I wanted to make sure that I got my hands on it. I had just done my makeup too. I was like, figures. So I'm going to take Shredded on my lid, and I'm going to use my finger because it looks like it has some glitter in it. And I'm just going to put that on my lid. I had a little chunk fall off, but if that was an overspray or what. No, it's got a little bit of glitter in it, but nothing too bad. I like that on my lid. I'm just doing a very basic look tonight. I just wanted to get into the palette. And then to deepen up my crease, I think I'm going to go in with Nutty. Oh, picks up a lot. Yeah, that's good. I should have started with Shredded all over my lid, but I wasn't really thinking about it. It's late and it's been just an absolutely long day. That truck is loud. Oh, the smokes out very nice. I'm not very good with smoky looks, but this color really does smoke out real nice. And I like these bundles. It all doesn't come with like all the same stuff. Like the strawberry one that I got before came with like a face milk, 2 blushes, which I mean, duh, it's strawberry shake, yeah. It came with 2 blushes and, oh man, I can't even remember what else. A couple Jelly Much shadows as well. I kind of wish this one had come with the coconut face milk though. I'm gonna go back in with Shredded right here with the same brush and just pick it up and put it right at my brow bone. I haven't done my brows yet. Speaking of, I think I might do them off camera. Okay, that literally took like 30 seconds. I used the Brow Boss gel in the color Blonde. It was really easy. I don't feel like etching out brows tonight at all. I think I'm just going to use Peekaboo today, and I might mix. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take Peekaboo on my finger. Feels so cool. And I'm just gonna put it right on the inner, like where I put Shredded. I kind of just am like painting my numbers now, almost. These feel softer than my other ones, probably because they haven't been sitting around forever. And now I think I'm gonna take some Deep Dive, which is that really dark one, and I'm gonna put it on the outer corner, the same finger. Ooh, that looks so nice. Yeah. Oh, I really like that. I'm gonna blend it with my ring finger and go back over. Come here. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I like the mix of warm and cool tones, not only in this set, but also this look. Like, I mean, I didn't think that it would work out. Like, I was worried once Deep Dive went on that it would look silly. But they both go well together. Nutty and Deep Dive go well together. And I'm just gonna wipe my finger off. Then I'm gonna take this really light shade right here. Palm Reader. Put some on my finger. Just highlight the inner corner. And you know, old school, the brow bone. Whoa! Whoa, that was a lot. Okay, good. Oh, it is such a good brow bone highlight. Look at that. It's so simple. I love this palette. I was talking about the baked browns the other day from Dose of Colors, and it's another really nice neutral palette. Hello. But this, with the mix of both like the mattes and the shimmer and then Palm Reader, I like it a lot more. I think I'm gonna use it a lot more than I anticipated. And Shredded is a really interesting color. It has little tiny specks of glitter. You can't really tell, but if you're looking really close, you can see little tiny specks of glitter. And I think now what I'm gonna do is blush. So I don't have any blush from this collection. I do have blush from their previous strawberry collection, and I'm trying to see which one do I want. I'm gonna use this one today. This one is called, hello, what are you called? It's called See You Later. That's fine. And I'm just gonna take a little. Oh, or a lot. Or a lot. A lot. And I'm gonna do what I've seen a lot of people do, and it does kind of make you look sunburnt a little. Putting it on your nose. That was a lot, but I don't actually mind it. Okay, now for bronzer, we have two really nice, very similar shades. Not on camera. I think I'm gonna go with this one, which is Talk to the Palm. The other one was Coconut Beach. And just going to bronze like usual. I don't think I've ever used a Colourpop bronzer before. Oh, that is a very nice bronze, and I think I'm gonna go over my nose because I want it to look like I've been tanning without getting burnt. Oh, that is a nice bronze. Again, this was Talk to the Palm. Now I think I'm going to take a pause and I'll come back with my eyeliner done. Okay, I did my liner and my mascara. My liner, I just used that eyeliner stamp that I got from Amazon, and the mascara, and it's working so good today, is the It Cosmetics Superhero. Focus, thank you. And I don't know, it's working so good today. I don't know, some people don't like the clumpy lashes. I haven't done my highlight yet. I'm just using my Ambient Lighting Edit Ghost Unlocked palette for my highlight, and I'm gonna go right in to the highlight that's in my brow bone, on my brow bone. Oh, my makeup looks so good, and I have nowhere to go. I'm just gonna be asleep on the couch, probably. That's frustrating. Oh, it looks so good. I saw Raw Beauty Christie do this highlight thing where like she takes it from her brow bone to her highlight area, and I think it looks just so good. I'm gonna take it on my nose. Cupid's bow because we're doing lips next. Here and here. Cute. So it came with a lot of lip things, and the first is Lippy Bundle. There's a lippy scrub, which I have one already, and there's a lippy balm. Oh, that's cool. The lippy scrub I think I'll use now. Does it smell like anything? No? 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 Doesn't smell like anything. I love their lippy scrubs though. And I'm pretty sure it's just Vaseline and sugar, but I don't care. So what we have is their tints, which I have never tried. Ooh. And it came with 4, which for the price, $48, that's amazing. Oh man, I don't know what I want. I mean, today I was wanting to go with just all neutral brown, so I think, oh, I don't know. I think I'm gonna try a mix. No. What am I gonna do? I'm just gonna try Island Time. That's been calling to me. So, I've never tried their tints before, and I hope they're good. Ooh, I have seizures and I bite my lips, so I have part that's bleeding a little bit, if you'll excuse that. Ooh. That's not, ooh. It smells like my honeymoon cruise. Like pineapples. Oh, that is good. It's like, it smells so good I want to eat it. Oh, it's like pineapple-y, Mai Tai-ish. That looks nice. And I think I'm gonna put some of the balm on top actually. That worked nice. And that is it. That is everything. This whole kit was only $48, which I think is really, really, really affordable for something that is so wearable. I mean, you get 4 of these and 2 bronzers and the eye palette and the Super Shock shadows and the lippy kit, and honestly I just think it's worth it. I think this is the kit to get. If you are wondering, the strawberry shake was nice. I like to play with color, but if you're wanting to go with neutrals, this is the kit to get. I promise. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I'm sorry I was a little more mellow, but this was more neutral, so that was a bad joke. Anyway, thank you, and I appreciate you guys. Bye.